Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda CR-V Touring. This vehicle does come equipped with full LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights. You'll have keyless entry as well as remote start. You'll have memory buttons for the 12-way power seats, which includes lumbar support. You'll have a power lift tailgate, steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls. You'll also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, and forward collision braking system. You'll have built-in navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll be able to Bluetooth your phone in. You'll also be able to Bluetooth in devices for your audio. Dual climate control, heated front seats, and Econ mode for fuel-efficient driving. You'll have a power port right there, as well as having additional power port and USB ports in the center console. You'll have a place to store your sunglasses with the built-in mirror for the back seat, sunroof, you'll have the all-weather floor mats continuing in the back seat. Additional USB ports. You'll have a capless fuel filler. And this vehicle does come equipped with a hands-free access tailgate with a swift kick. You'll be able to unlock the door. The vehicle does come with a backup camera with 3 different views. You'll have the all-weather cargo tray, spare tire and tool set. You'll also have the latches, which allow the seats to fold down, and push button close. This is the 2019 Honda CR-V Touring here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.